Yo, what up guys, it's Colin here from CH Gadgets, and today it's about to be a showdown, aka clash of the Bluetooth speakers. In this video, we're going to be putting the BlitzWolf BW-AS1 Bluetooth speaker up against a creative Metallix Plus Bluetooth speaker, so that we can see who is the reigning champ and who is the best contender for your money. So here's the twist. We're going to be doing this dancehall sound clash style. And if you're not familiar with how that works, this is where each speaker is going to get a chance to play one song so that we can see who does the best job. So it's going to be a total of 3 rounds, and each speaker is going to get to play one song in each round. And every time you hear the, you know that round is ended, and we declare a winner in each round, and at the end of the battle, the one with the most points win the battle, and we crown them the winner. But before we get started, here's a few things that you should also consider before you buy any one of these speakers. The Creative Metallix Plus is priced at $34.97 on Amazon, while the BlitzWolf BW-AS1 is priced at $79.99. If you want a quick rundown on the specs and individual performance, then you can watch my review video link up above in the card to your right, or you can check the link down in the description. Okay, let the battle begin. You got to let it go. 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 To let it go. You got 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 to let it go. To let it go. Alright guys, so the battle is over and we know who the winner is, but just remember, sound is subjective. So let me know in the comment section, who do you think your winner is? Also, let me know which 2 speakers should face off in the next battle. And if you want one for yourself, check the link down in the description. Thanks for watching and talk to you in my next video. Peace.